Good morning all, camelbacktrading.org coming to you this Thursday morning, July 7th. We are looking at Window Trader's market profile of SPY, IWM, and triple Qs. And again, right off the bat, we have to talk about M period, how a lot of times you have to take it with a grain of salt. They go in price probe yesterday only to sell off and end up inside of value and below A's high. Yet here we are with 75 minutes to go, trading towards the upper end of yesterday's range. Same with triple Qs. Russell didn't even come close to probing yesterday. Remember, Qs and SPY took out both sides of the IB. Russell only took out the IB low. Again, IWM 173.39 is that real critical level from that July of 2018's all-time high. So that's a level they got above yesterday. They're below it right now this morning. That's a level they need to get acceptance over to start getting this thing going in the upwards direction. SPY overnight high right now is 385.16. Overnight low is 383.19. So rather tight range for now. Again, the bulls got the daily up in the S&P. Okay, that's very positive. The weeklies are already up. Monthly's going to take time, but again, it's the little steps first. So now the bulls want to continue that. For them to continue that, they need to take out yesterday's high and attack the rest of this June 28th trend day. We still have 3 sets of single prints to deal with, okay? So that's something that they need to start doing. If they do start doing that, you're going to have acceptance above the 20. That's going to be a key level. If you ever want to get to the 50, you need acceptance above the 20 first. So that's the bull's goal. The bear's goal is to get this thing back inside of yesterday's value below A's high and go back to where really the only thing was to lean on, which was Jay's afternoon pullback and an 8-wide per control. That's their goal. Right now, bulls are trying to enforce their will. So what's the game plan early or for 9:30? Well, if you're going to open with higher value, you can take a long, again, against A's high. Depends on how much heat you want to take, right? But if it's $1 or less, it's worth it to take it. If you start getting any acceptance below A's high and value goes from higher to overlapping to higher, then I would get out and reassess. That's a long play. On the flip side, we know how they like playing games at the day's high. So, again, if this thing was to open and push close to yesterday's high, you could take a short the first time, even though you have higher value, because they love playing those games. But if we do take it out, the next set of single prints is only about 40 cents higher. And then I would, if you want to take the heat into that next set, you can do that. They start at 386.26. This one right here, that's D singles from the 28th, and they get filled at 387.71. It's rather a large set. So again, it depends how much heat you would want to take on a short inside of there. Again, these are all early plays. We're getting these live updates as the market is painting its picture for 6.5 hours with a live webinar, basically. And then on the charts, which right now are working, remember tomorrow we have the job number, and then I would recap all 3 of these indices charts tomorrow night. So here's the daily. We spoke about it last night. Came out of a 4-day balance to the upside. Obviously, the bulls want to continue this momentum and take out yesterday's high and eat away at the rest of this 28th trend day. If you start doing that and you take it back, well, not only do you get acceptance, like I said, above the 20, well, the next step would be the 50-day moving average up at the 397.82 level where it is right now. Bears want to get back into this balance. Good luck trading today. Thanks for the likes and subscribing to this video channel. And we'll recap at 4 p.m.